Are you tired of hunting for checkout links in Whop? Learn the exact 7-click path to create one in under 30 seconds. I'll walk you through each click, from login to copying your link. No fluff, just the steps. Start by logging into your Whop account. Now, click on Checkout Links in the sidebar. Then, go ahead and click on Create Checkout Link to begin setting up a new one. First, add a product by selecting it from the drop-down or typing its name. Next, add a description for your checkout link. Once that's done, click on Create Checkout Link. You'll see a success message. Your checkout link has been copied to your clipboard automatically. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.